experience of hearing and reading about Krishna's Rasa Lila is full of verses and charming sweetness, bhavas and intimate leelas, interspersed with very important spiritual philosophy and tattvas and truths. They're interspersed with important tattvas, which are pauses. They're like there's like a pause or a freeze in the endless rasa flow. So there's a constant blend of lila vichar, lila sweetness, and tattva vichar. So sometimes we're intoxicated and sometimes we're sober. So the lila, you get intoxicated and forget everything, then, oh, wait a minute. Who am I? Yeah. Where are we? Yeah, I'm okay. Drive your car. So the constant blend, a constant blend of lila vichar and tattva vichar. Why? I mentioned, these are drops of reminders of the transcendental position, power, and identity of Krishna, and his personal, eternal, energetic Ladni Shakti expansions, Radharani and the Gopis. It helps when we hear the tattva, when we hear the actual, oh, Radharani is Ladni Shakti, she's Krishna's Srup Shakti, and it's just Krishna's own energy expanded. And then when we hear this, what it does is it helps keep our minds balanced and our hearts pure. The Absolute Truth is powerful, formal, distant, and transcendental. So in that sense, God, or the Absolute Truth, Krishna, is grand and majestic, godlike. This is one angle of seeing Krishna's Leela and understanding it. That's called Aishvarya Vichara, or the consideration of the wealth and the opulence, or the existence, the absolute reality of the underlying all the sweet, charming, intimate, human-like Leelas of Radha and Krishna and the Gopis. So Leela, Krishna he's having romantic, amorous enjoyment with these Gopis. So the foundation of this seemingly material love affair, the foundation is all these transcendental truths. That's why it's very important. So Leela, Krishna's Leela must rest on the foundation of truth and tattva, spiritual truth and philosophy. Pastimes and philosophy combine to produce clarity of understanding and pure, offenseless minds and hearts enable the sadhaka to slowly enter fully into the divine realm of rasa bliss forever in Sridham Vrindavan. So this is the whole idea why Acharyas, Shukamuni in the Sanskrit shlokas, he's speaking this absolute nature and then sometimes a sweet nature to educate us and to purify us and keep us balanced.